If you have been looking at how to use PayPal in Zimbabwe, you may have one of these questions. Does PayPal work in Zimbabwe? How do I open a PayPal account? How do I pay money online using a PayPal account? And what are the use cases of people that are using PayPal in Zimbabwe? In this video, we're going to be talking about that. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kuda Online, and if you're new to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button so that videos like these can be suggested to other people so that we can help other people with this amazing information. Other than that, at the end of this video, I would love to hear your feedback. Please give a thumbs up to this video and comment in the comment section below if you have any questions for me. With that out of the way, let us jump into what PayPal is all about. PayPal is an online payment platform that is used by businesses and individuals to send money to one another across the world. Let's say you have a business and you need to sell your goods online. You can integrate PayPal to what you are selling and deliver the goods. Or you have a relative outside the country, they want to send you money. You can receive money via PayPal. I'm not going to dive deep into how PayPal works and what PayPal is all about. You can actually go ahead and read it from their website. And then for now, let us look at, is PayPal available in Zimbabwe? Back then, Zimbabwe was listed as one of the countries that cannot use PayPal. And then, some years back, PayPal decided to open up business for Zimbabweans to say you can go ahead and use PayPal. If you live in Zimbabwe, yes, you can use PayPal, but with limitations. In Zimbabwe, you are allowed to send money outside the country or paying for goods through PayPal. Let's say you want to buy a car or pay for clothing. You can use PayPal. And how you use that, you have to open a bank account. In my case, I use FBC. FBC, they've got a card that you can link to your PayPal account, and then you can actually connect that and the money will be deducted from your bank account. More on that later. I'm going to cover FBC on how you can open an account and other things that are important. So to answer the question, can you use PayPal in Zimbabwe? Yes, you can use PayPal in Zimbabwe to send money, but you cannot receive money via PayPal in Zimbabwe. I'm going to explain. Yes, you cannot receive money via PayPal in Zimbabwe at the time that I'm actually doing this video, unless if things change. I'm going to cover that on later on. So let's look at how to create a PayPal account. Creating a PayPal account is not very difficult, but for some people that are just getting started, it may be very difficult for them. But just head over to the website paypal.com, enter your email address, your name, and the other details that they ask you to. That's how you create your PayPal account. Once you do that, you may need to upload your documents to just verify your account, uploading your proof of residence as well. That will make your account verified, and getting your PayPal account verified, it increases the limits of how you can actually use your account because they know that you're a verified human being. One of the other important questions that a lot of people ask is, are there PayPal agents in Zimbabwe? Yes, there are PayPal agents in Zimbabwe, if I can say it, but I cannot say these people, they are official PayPal agents. But however, how they do it is that when they receive their money via PayPal, they are looking to dispose the PayPal. That is the people that are doing work online and other things that are related to that who live in Zimbabwe. Now, how they receive their money via PayPal, how they receive their money in Zimbabwe, let me tell you my use case. When I do work online, or when I do any activity that I need to receive money online, what I've done, I've spoken to my cousin who is based in the UK, and I use his PayPal account, and when I need to receive money, my money goes into his PayPal account in the UK, and then he can send me money via World Remit or any other means that can be used to send money to Zimbabwe or even Western Union. However, there are some other people that have actually done the same. Let's say I've used my cousin's account to receive money who is based in the UK, and I have someone in Zimbabwe who needs to make an online payment via PayPal. I can just speak to my cousin and say, can you make the payment on behalf of this person and the payment is done, and this person in Zimbabwe is going to give me some cash in hand. That's how basically the people, or the, should we call them the agents, what they are doing in Zimbabwe in terms of helping other people in processing the PayPal process. But if you need to make online payments, it's pretty easy to do it for on your own, other than looking for agents and things like that. I really don't know what agents for official agents for PayPal, what they really do, but I'm sure that one of these days we will be able to connect our PayPal accounts when we receive money into our bank account, so that the money comes into PayPal and then goes into the bank account, which is not really possible right now. I'm going to explain that on a later stage, but right now let us look at how you can actually pay money online using PayPal. Let's say you want to pay for goods or services and things like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain the process of how you can do it, or how I do it. Okay, so what I do is I use a bank called FBC Bank, and FBC Bank here has got a facility which is called prepaid MasterCard. It's an ATM card that you get from them, and applying for the card, I think it's around, I'm not really sure of the figure, but I think it's around $15-20. Now when you apply for the card, what you then do, you deposit the US dollars into your bank card. Okay, once you deposit the US dollars into your bank card, you get your card details. Once you get your card details, you go onto the PayPal platform, PayPal website, you create your account as I have explained previously. Once you create your account, you go where it says link card. Okay, when you go where it says link card, they're going to ask you for your details, for your card details. You enter your card details onto PayPal, including the expiry date and the CVV. Now, a lot of people, they don't know what the CVV is, but it's the 3 digits code that are at the back of your card. You enter that onto PayPal. Now, that means your PayPal account is now connected to your bank card. Once those two are connected, you can go to any website that you need to make an online payment. You enter your PayPal details there, and the money is going to be deducted from your bank card through PayPal. That's how simple the process is. What you just have to do is to deposit your US dollars into your bank account. Now let's look at the process that is not connected when you want now to receive money in Zimbabwe. So let's say you want to sell goods or services. What should happen ideally is that when you use your PayPal account, you should receive money into your PayPal account and then move that money into your bank account. Now, the link of moving the money from PayPal into bank account is not there yet. We are just waiting for PayPal to approve that. However, moving money from your bank account to PayPal and paying for a service is possible, but the opposite at this stage is not working. So I don't know if there's any alternatives for that, but if you've been using PayPal, just leave a comment below this video. I'll be more than happy to hear your story in terms of how you're using PayPal. So I'm going to talk of the use cases of companies that you may know if you live in Zimbabwe that accept PayPal as payment method. One of them is a company that sells cars from Japan, Be Forward. So if you go on Be Forward, you want to pay for your car to be imported to Zimbabwe, you can use PayPal. So what it simply means, you deposit money into your FBC card and then you can pay via PayPal on Be Forward. Other use cases that people use as well is to pay for advertising on Facebook. If they have a business and they want to run adverts on Facebook, they can actually use direct their FBC card or they can use their PayPal account. With that being said, I've come to the end of my video, and I know that there may be some people with a lot of questions, and I guess my video has helped quite a lot of people with answering some of your burning questions. If you have anything that I've missed or anything that you want to contribute, please comment in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to assist, and I'll be more than happy to learn from you and hear your feedback as well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button so that this video can be suggested to other people. With that being said, thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.